Hello guys, it's me, Rahi Scratch Coding 1. Today we are gonna be making an internet detector. Here are the steps. First we are going first step is going to the extension. If you're a new scratcher, you have this small icon. So click on this icon. Then first of all this requires Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and some other doesn't need Wi-Fi's. So we are not going to touch them all. Yeah, we don't want this one because there's no block we can do. Only one is possible is translation. First step is completed. Now we need the second step, which is basically coding. Some coding only. What we are going to do is when clicked forever, if then equals to blank. There is one language. Where's that language? A Catalan. Then we are going to make this here. Then here we can also duplicate this one here. Then here will be written hello. What is this going to do means look. I mean here look it says false. And the way false. No, it's English. I'm so serious. Oh, yeah. First, we made a mistake. H. H. H.